Go, Jason.
Whoa, I thought I was controlling the stage.
Jason, is that fun? Oh no! Woo!
Avery! Let's go back to the people over there. Come on.
No, I want to see the hot dog.
Yeah, come on.
Ew, I'm gonna...
Stay down, sit.
Hold on.
That's why there's a puddle of water and their kid peed from the ride. Go, Jason. Go, Jason. It's all done. All done. You want out? I guess it's not done. Woohoo!
Dude, it's like shaking a baby.
Put your arm up in the air, Jason. Jason. Woohoo!
And that puddle of water is like water.
All done? All done. Oh, was that fun? Was that
Like,
fun?
what? More.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Ah.
that was so fun.